Hey, all, SnoH here. It's been a while. I'm back on the trail. It's nice and warm now. Well, actually, it's a little bit chilly today. But today we're here just for a short hike. I'm trying out some new audio equipment and just trying to get back in the swing of things. Real life stuff has kind of kept me away from the trails, but seems to be a bit over now. But today we're going to be checking out short trail over near Desoto Falls here in Alabama. Looked like, from what I could see on the pictures, it was a pretty cool looking trail, and I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to getting out again. But without any further ado, let's get to it. All right, so we're going to be going pretty much over all of this stuff, a little bit in between. There's also a cave somewhere around here that I want to check out. But we got the usual trail posters, and there's black bears in the area. Probably won't see any though, but we're gonna get on the trail. All right, so first we're gonna head down to the bottom. On the way, we're gonna check out a cave, and this will be pretty fun. I already like this area a lot already, but we're gonna get to it. And we just started on the trail on the bottom, and I've already come across something really cool. Just this rock formation. This looks really awesome. Really old weathered rocks. I love it. This is so awesome. Probably be some decent climbing too. Got little crevices everywhere. Gotta say, it's great to be back in nature. All right, so we just got to what's called Icebox Cave, and this is pretty awesome looking just from the outside. It's kind of creepy. And we're gonna go check it out a little bit. This is pretty awesome. Doesn't go back super far. My flashlight isn't really doing much in here. Yeah, this is Icebox Cave. It's pretty awesome. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and head back out, and we're gonna head over to head down further, get to the falls on the bottom. And this is a short hike, but man, there's just so much cool shit to see around here, and I'm actually really excited that I decided to come to this place instead of going back to like Cloudland Canyon and whatnot. Got another little cave over there. This is just really, really cool. Fun. Oh. All right, so we're down here at the bottom, and we're right up near the falls. First, we got some nice calm water coming from up there. We're gonna go hop across these rocks here. Well, not really hop, but okay, now it's a little bit of hopping. You know, I'm pretty sure I'm off trail right now. I am in fact off trail. That doesn't matter. It's pretty cool though. Alright, so I thought I was closer than I was. So I'll be back. Alright, so you can probably hear it in the background. We made it. We're at the bottom of Desoto Falls. Try and get a little bit closer. Oh my God. This is brilliant. Alright, so we'll go ahead and head back up. Then we're gonna take the other path and take a look at these falls from above. See what that's like. Alright, so I'll check back in once I'm back up to the top. Alright, so we're back at the top. We're gonna head to the Overlook Trail now. It was very steep coming back up the way that I did. It was fun, but let's get to it. So we're not there yet, but this little offshoot here is pretty awesome. It's pretty dangerous, but we're gonna go check, go over here, get a really cool view. That's awesome. Now let's go over the edge. That's awesome. All right, well, I'll check back in once I get to the falls, to the top. All right, so I wasn't really expecting to see too many awesome views from up here, but this is pretty nice. Nice and peaceful. You can go over here. You can hear the waterfalls. I'm not sure if it's coming up on here, but this trail isn't really that far away either. And it's pretty awesome. I'm gonna try and get a little bit closer over here. And hopefully I don't fall to my death. But you can see the river down there. We're getting pretty close to the falls though. Right. Yep. We're gonna get back walking. So this bluff up here didn't go as far over as I had liked, but got a pretty decent view out of it at least. It's not the best. It's not the worst either. I think I liked being at the bottom a little bit more, but this is a good way to end the hike. Really nice view. But, this has been a nice, fun little hike. It's nice and short, but we'll go ahead and head back to the truck for a breakdown, and I'll see you then. All right, so we're back at the truck. It was a fun little hike. Wasn't too long. It was only about 3 miles total. It was a nice little scenery. I really liked the waterfalls. I might have to come back here with my wife. I think she'll be able to do this one. And she has some time off this next week, so I think next week's video is going to be a hiking with the wife video. But yeah, again, this is Desoto Falls here in Alabama. And nice little place. I wish I could go all the way down to where the actual waterfall outlook is from the top, but it is currently closed down. I guess they're doing some sort of construction there. But to do it for me today. Glad to be back on the trails. Glad to be making videos. And we'll see you again next week. Till then, have a good one. Before I forget, like and subscribe if you want more. If there's any trails in Alabama, Tennessee, or Georgia you want to see, hit me up in the comments below or on Twitter and DMs. I'm always looking for more trails to check out. And like I said, see you next week. Have a good one.